Hiya, I'm Jasmine at SafeLock Systems, and this video shows how to apply emergency power to a GARD 3035 or 3125 keypad. 3035 or 3125 keypads may be fitted with a GARD Basic, 39E, 66E, Supra or TL11 lock. The battery pack is located inside the safe, and so if the batteries are completely depleted, it's not possible to gain access to them to change batteries. Where the battery is completely depleted, it is possible to hold a 9-volt battery to the terminals on the front of the keypad so that a code may be entered. Match the larger negative terminal on the battery to the larger terminal on the keypad at the top and hold the battery against the terminals, maintaining a continuous contact so that the code can be entered. The lock can then be opened. Where the keypad must be turned to open the lock, 2 hands or a second person are needed to rotate the keypad whilst still holding the battery to the terminals. Low battery is indicated by repeated beeping and flashing on opening or repeated beeping and flashing on a key press, which prevents opening. If there is no response when a button is pressed, then the batteries may be completely depleted.